Hello guys, my name is Sanjay Rao and today I have brought another unboxing video for my vlogging channel for YouTube. And today we will be unboxing LS2 BOB 2. That is an open face helmet. You can see it here. It's OF601, where OF stands for open face. And in LS2 they have FF, the last one that I did, FF805, that is like full face helmet. So without wasting time, let's see. This is BOB 2 carbon. So this helmet comes in two models. One have some impression and one is normal. So in the box you can see one how do you say, it's for sunshade, like a cap in front of the helmet. And then you have the helmet and you have this sticker and nothing else with this helmet. So let me open it. So with this you have this helmet and you have the tags. Color says a star, so this is the one that have the impression of a star. Okay, we don't need this. So here, this is the helmet. This is the star impression on both sides that have two lines, and this to fit the sunshade in the front. We can try it out. Okay, so let's do it. One, two, and three. So here it is, the complete look. And then it have this for the glasses because it doesn't cover the complete face. And remove this. So here it is. I hope you like this video. Please put a comment or a like and let me know how I can make more improvements or what kind of videos do you want to see. Soon I will be posting my videos for vlogging because I have already started it. The last videos that I posted was about my kids, everything about what I bought for my channel. So that contained a drone, a GoPro, a microphone, one helmet. I haven't posted my video for about the motorcycle. I will be posting that also, and then I will continue with my videos that I have made. So the first video that will be coming out, it will be for Ladakh trip. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.